The Wonder Machine is sleeping. What will arrive today? The belt is moving! Something is coming! A mystery box! What could be inside this time? It's opening! I see all sorts of colors in there! A glowing block of wax! It's swirled with every color! Wax blocks block detected. Destination, Crayon Factory. Crayon Factory? Should I press it? Press it, Momo! Press the start button! Activating! Crayon Factory portal opening! The portal is open! I can already see colors swirling inside! Let's go! Into the Crayon Factory!
Welcome, Crayon Factory! I'm Hugh, your color guide.
Everything is so colorful! What do we make first?
First, we melt the wax nice and smooth. Every color starts with just 3 wheels: red, yellow, and blue.
Look! Red and yellow made orange! What happens if I mix all of them?
Mixing too many colors together, now we pour it into molds and let it cool.
Whoops! I wrapped myself instead! Look! I'm making a rainbow! Oh no! It broke! Hehe! Now your rainbow has ears! Momo! You silly goose, get back here! Catch me if you can! Gotcha! Now let's fix my rainbow together.
Now let's get all these beautiful crayons packed up.
Hugh, how many crayon colors are in the biggest box ever made? 152 colors? That's so many! Thank you so much for showing us everything, Hugh. Look! The portal is here! Time to go home! Mission complete! Crayon Factory badge unlocked. Four down, one to go. See you in the next Wonder Factory adventure. Bye-bye.